Okay, did an online order from Domino's. Here's going to be the video of what the pizza looked like. Really greasy. I'm eating the sandwich right now. The sandwich tastes good, the Philly cheesesteak sandwich, but pizza's like super fucking greasy, man. But so if you're trying to decide where to order pizza from, I would definitely rethink Domino's. Alright. Okay, folks, I just did an online, well, hold on. Okay, folks, I just did an online delivery service through Domino's. And look at the fucking grease on this thing, man. And, god dog. I don't know what all that shit is, but that's a Domino's pizza. It is supposed to have been cooked to perfection. I don't know how this box goes back together, but whatever, man. Oh, okay, like this, I guess. So that's the first pizza, which was supposed to be cheese and onions. Hold on. And this is the second pizza. That meat looks like it's burnt to a fucking crisp. Yeah, man, this shit looks greasy as hell. It's supposed to be the Philly cheesesteak pizza. Now, I'm doing this video because when you order online through Domino's, they say that they do a perfection check. Well, let's look at the sandwich. It's the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. It's fucking, hold on. All their shit is super greasy. So now let me do the online thing. Have no idea why this shit's so damn greasy and pitiful looking. To perfection. There was a perfection check done, huh? Bullshit. Okay, folks, so that was my online Domino's ordering experience. Another side note is I left the instructions for the driver to bring me some cheese packets. The driver did not bring me cheese packets, so that's a fucking pointless thing to have on the Domino's online ordering thing. You're wasting your time by doing online ordering through Domino's. I got this one in Bryan, Texas, and it really fucking is too greasy. I ate the sandwich. The taste of the sandwich was really good, but it also was super greasy. And you can see the presentation once you open it. It just sucked, man.